Hey, beautiful people, welcome to Clara's Corner. Yeah, I know some of you will be surprised to see me here on this channel showing my face. Yeah, this is what I don't do on this channel. But you know, life, the only constant thing is change. So I think I'll be changing some things henceforth on this channel. I'll be showing my face once in a while. But the reason for showing my face is to address some questions people do ask whenever I post a video. And this particular video is basically for the video I posted last on how to make cold pressed coconut oil. People came to ask me what they can do with coconut oil. I got that question. I was like, huh? People don't know what they can do with their coconut oil. Okay guys, I got you. So in this video I'm going to be sharing the benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a very wonderful oil. It's a multi-purpose oil. You can virtually do so many things with coconut oil. So keep watching this video to get to know what you will do with your coconut oil. Coconut oil is a versatile and beneficial oil that is used widely for skincare, hair care, and overall health. For skin benefits, coconut oil is a great moisturizer. Coconut oil deeply hydrates the skin and helps lock in moisture, making it ideal for dry and flaky skin. Coconut oil helps in soothing irritation. It can calm redness, irritation, and mild skin conditions such as eczema and dermatitis. Coconut oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It contains lauric acid which helps fight bacteria and fungi, making it useful for treating minor cuts and infections. Coconut oil has anti-aging properties on the skin. Its antioxidant property helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Coconut oil is a great makeup remover. It's gentle on the skin and effective at breaking down makeup without harsh chemicals. For hair benefits, coconut oil is a great deep conditioner. It penetrates hair strands to nourish and strengthen from within. Coconut oil prevents damage of hair. It protects the hair against protein loss, reducing breakage and split ends. Coconut oil also treats dandruff. Its antifungal properties help fight dandruff and soothe the scalp. Coconut oil also promotes hair growth. The regular use of coconut oil can improve scalp health, potentially boosting hair growth. For health benefits, coconut oil is one of the healthiest oils to consume. It boosts immunity. It is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, which supports the immune system. Coconut oil is an energy source. It is easily digestible and quickly converts into energy by the body. Coconut oil supports weight management. It helps in metabolism and fat burning when consumed in moderation. Coconut oil improves digestion. It promotes gut health by supporting beneficial gut bacteria. That is, it aids in curing different kinds of diseases. Coconut oil can also be used as a lip balm because it softens and hydrates dry chapped lips. It's also a great massage oil, excellent for relaxation and soothing sore muscles. It is used in making different kinds of soaps and also used in making hair care and skincare products. These and more are the benefits you can get from using coconut oil. So guys, thank you for watching, and please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like this video, share this video to whoever needs it, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell for other beneficial videos. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.